morning, guys. My name is Craig. So today I got Robux and 2 million. Look at this. Look, follow the mouse. This is the mouse. Follow it. 2 million Robux. Okay, I cannot believe I got this. So guys, today we're gonna be playing the really easy obby. The really easy obby. It's a really easy obby. So really easy obby. We want Christmas Day obby and the summer obby. Of obbies. Okay, guys, this is the fact. Obbies are awesome. Okay, so this is my character. This is my character. As you can see, I look cool. I look hot fire. I look just fun, guys. So let's start moving. Let's go. I'm just gonna go like this screen and that. Let's go. Let's jump, 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 jump. Easy. Seems easy as I thought. Okay, this one is actually really easy. You just need to go like circles. Let's go. I'm just gonna complete it. Yo, when is this thing gonna end? Is this thing even gonna end? Wait, is this even gonna end or what? Wow, what am I gonna do? Oh. Okay. This one's actually the hard because let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's do it, let's do it. No, no, okay, I'm near. I'm just gonna go for it. Did it. I did it. No, what? There's no way. Oh yeah. There's actually difference. There's a little bit of difference. And this guy's not smart. I'm just gonna go for it like this. Wow, easy. Wow, this is easy. Okay, go. You dude, go. Okay. So let's just go for this one. No, I don't think so. I don't think so. I'm gonna die. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hopefully we won't die. I'm not gonna die. I'm not gonna die. I'm not gonna die. I'm not gonna die. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes! Yo, yeah. Hell yeah, dude. This is my man. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay. Can I do it? I think I did it. I did it! Yes! Let's go from here. Let's go. This one's easy. Yeah. Like this. Let's go like stairs. Wow. I didn't think it was that easy. Let's go from here. Yo, this is the easiest obby in the world. Next episode, we're gonna play the hard obby. Now, easy from hard. So next time we're gonna play the hardest obby in the world. That's exactly what we're gonna do in the next episode. But let's just finish this obby first. Wow. What? Is it that easy? Oh, this is easy. Okay, actually, I'm starting not to see anything. Don't know, guys, if you can see this, but it's an invisible, like, place. Let's see from where did I start. Woo! Did I start from there? Okay, let's just go. Easy. Whoa! I was about to fall. Let's go. Okay, I hate this place because if you stay, like, it's gonna like start falling. See, I hate this one. Let's just go for it. And this one, the problem with this one is it's so long. Yep, this one is gonna fall. Yep, let's just go. Let's see from where did I start. Wow, whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, let's see from where did I start. Oh, no, no, hell no. What? Stinks. What? Yeah. Oh. This one you just need to like keep going. I'm gonna keep going, just like they say. How tall is this? Is this like a ride? Is it? That's actually easy. So guys, I think guys, after this one, I'm out. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. After this one, we're gonna end up close. So let's just go for it. So let's go for this. I think it's easy. Yep, it's easy. Wait, I'm just finish it. And I'm done. Psych, guys, I'm not gonna end the video over here. What happened? I swear what happened. Just, no. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna end the video over here, so see ya. And wait, just a quick last look. Thanks, guys, for watching this video. Thanks very much. Thank you for watching, and oh, yep, I'm not. So, guys, thanks for watching, and see you next time. Let's close this. Get out. Now let's see. Let's go back. I'm gonna start being a dog. I'm gonna upload this video. See you guys. Goodbye.